Tuberculosis caused by a option A bacterium, which is the oldest organism on earth. Option A blue-green algae. Which of the following are the longest cell of human body? Option C nerve cells. The study of gerontology is related to which of the following? Option C old age. Genetic deals with option D heredity and variation. Desert plants are generally option B succulent. The largest dolphin species is the orca, also called as option C killer whale. The fat digesting enzyme lipase is secreted by which of the following? Option B pancreas. The study of cells is also known as option A cytology. Which compound is used in anti-malaria drug? Option C chloroquine. Name the respiratory organ of insect. Option D trachea. S trispin do. Option D break down proteins. What amongst the following is responsible for the formation of stone in human kidney? Option B calcium oxalate. In the human body, which structure is the appendix attached to? Option A large intestine. Which of the following vitamins contains cobalt? Option B vitamin B12. Iron content is found maximum in option D green vegetables. The gas used for artificial ripening of green fruit is acetylene. Option A acetylene. Plasma membrane is built up of option D all the above, that is protein, lipid and carbohydrate. All the above. Weight of our body is mostly made of option D form of water. The percentage of water in an adult human being is around option D 65%. The maximum amount of element found in human body is option D calcium. The number of bones in human skull is option A 22. Which one of the following salt is formed in maximum amount in human bone? Option A calcium phosphate. What is arthroplasty in surgery? Hip joint replacement. Option A. How many pairs of nerves arrives from the spinal cord? Option C 31. Choir board is a statutory body functioning under which Union Ministry of India? It is option B MSME. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Hindu groups after N. Raman? Option B Malini Parthasarathi. Indian Armed Forces are delegated special financial power for capital acquisition cost to which limit? It is option C rupees 300 crores. Which union minister inaugurated conference on aerospace and defense manufacturing technology? It is option B Sripath Nayak. Which regional organization had launched the Commerce and Industry Young Leader Initiative? Option B BRICS. Which country has made Hong Kong Autonomy Act into a law and ended its preferential treatment for Hong Kong? Option B United States. India held a virtual business mission on food processing Along with which country? Option B, Italy. In which country is the place Pasaka located with which a new trade route has been opened from India? Option B, Bhutan. Which country has signed bilateral agreement named Air Balloon with France and US to operate international flights? It is India. Option D, India ourselves. Capital of Norway, Oslo. Which minister has launched guidelines of the Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund, AHIDF? It is Giriraj Singh. Option A. International Olympic Committee has postponed 2022 Dhaka Youth Olympics to which year? Option A, 2026. In which language is the name coronavirus originated? Option A, Latin. Name the longest living structure on Earth. The Great Barrier Reef. It is in Australia. What name is given to animals and plants collectively? Bentos. Name the oldest living thing living on Earth. It is bristlecone pine. Which chemical causes the burning sensation when eating chilies? It is capsaicin. What is the coldest layer of atmosphere? It is troposphere. What is the function of manometer? The manometer is used to measure pressure of a closed system. Where is the Suez Canal located? It is in Egypt. Nelson Mandela International Day is celebrated on July 18th.